Yeah, very perfect. Line up, Romeo 12 behind. Italia, Foxtrot Victor, number 5.
Italia 3 Victor, taxi Malibu Control, runway 125 traffic.
Yeah, 83 Foxtrot Victor, correct to runway 125 against traffic.
Happy Foxtrot Tango to over 6 rate, this is runway right, under 2, clear ground Mike 2, gate Foxtrot, follow the master instructions.
100 and approval from Charlie, Golf X-ray, you say Tango 2?
If you're able, reserve the flight to
This is a DC-3? Yes it is. Very cool. Very shallow. You done wind change it? I just see that's what we said at 4 times 1640 please. You were going to follow London.